Hi guys, it's Nisha this side from Megha Nisha Makeovers. So recently we have been getting many queries for how to do a quick smoky eye makeup. So today I'll be telling you about the same thing. So let's just begin. I'll simply apply a bit of foundation on my eyelids. I'll be just taking a very small amount. I'll be applying it on my eyelids. My next step would be to pat it with some loose powder so that my smoky eye won't crease. For that I'm using sugar translucent powder. Just pat on my eyelid. Just in the dabbing motion, not rubbing it. I'll be using Nykaa I Am Black Kajal. See how smoothly I just got good intense kajal on my eyelid in single stroke. Now I'll simply smudge the kajal. You can use any brush, even you can do it with your finger. As you can see, I'm not dragging the brush or I'm not rubbing the brush on my eye. I'm simply doing it in small dab motions so that I won't, decrease the intense or lower the intense of the black kajal. As you can see, the dark part is still on, close to my eyelid, and I've just taken it in small dabbing motions to the upper part to give that smoky effect. See, it looks so natural. The same thing I'll do it on my other eye. I've applied the kajal on both my eyelids, as you can see. I'll use a black eyeshadow to tap over it. I'll just be taking this black shade from this, and I'll simply dab all over the black area. I'm not rubbing it, guys. Make sure you don't rub it. Now, our next step, I'll simply apply brown shade on my crease ताकि वो बिल्कुल prominent ना लगे, वो बिल्कुल अच्छा एक blended effect आए. For this one, I'm using this brown eyeshadow. I'm using the same brush. You can use a brush or you can even use your finger, whichever ways you are comfortable. No hard and fast rule. Alright, so we are done with our upper eye makeup. We are done with the blending and everything. So my next step is to highlight. I just want to highlight it only a little bit. I don't want to overdo anything. I'm using LA Colors eyebrow pencil. This is in this shade Espresso. I don't like to overdo my eyebrows as well. You can see I have a few cuts. I have stitches marks over here. So I simply just fill in my brows, just fill in the gaps to make it look more natural and not too made up. So I'm done with my eyebrows as well. So for primer, I'm using some Jacqueline USA Perfect Base Mattifying Primer. Basically, it's a mattifying foundation. It is very good for open pores. So I find it really good. I don't usually rub it off. I simply apply it in the dabbing motion. I simply use the dabbing motion so that it fills up the pores. Just doing it in dabbing motions where there are open pores. On the rest of the face, I'm just rubbing it. It is a very important step to use a primer before your makeup. If you won't use a primer, your makeup won't last really well. So my next step is foundation. Again, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It is in the shade, it's Natural Buff, shade number 230. So I'll just be taking a very minimal amount of foundation. I'm using a beauty blender to blend it. This beauty blender, I got it from Faces Canada. I'll apply a bit on my lips as well. I know many of you might be thinking why I didn't correct my red spots or my acne spots. I usually don't apply much layer when I'm doing it on my face. I avoid that thing. Plus, this foundation, Maybelline Fit Me foundation, it's really good. You don't really much require corrector with it. The makeup which I'm doing right now is more of a day look or like regular office going look. So I'm done with the foundation as well. My next step, to dab in some translucent powder. For that, again I'm using Sugar Cosmetics. Simply dab some powder all over my face. I'm just putting some extra or like some excess of powder under my eye to avoid the crease lines or the fine lines to show up. So now my next step is contouring. Again, for this I'm using Sugar Cosmetics. My next step, to contour my nose. I'm keeping my whole look very soft. We are done with the contouring as well. My next step, a bit of blusher. So this one is in the shade 01 Peach Pink. You can see. I'll just apply a bit of it. Not much. And I'll simply just move the brush all over to blend it. We're not yet done with the makeup. I'm just blending it. My next step, I'll be using a bit of highlighter. For this, I'm using a LA Girls Just Blushing. It is a blusher plus a bit of highlighter. So I'll just dab some. I don't want much of the highlighter on my face. So now highlighting my T-zone, I'll be using again this shade. My next part is I'll be applying a lipstick. It is Mini Pony and it's in the shade 07 Pale Rose. I really like this lipstick. It's a daily go-to lipstick. So just to enhance, I'll be using mascara. This mascara is from Maybelline. This is Alice and Olivia collection by Stacey Bennett, the Hyper Curl mascara. I'm done with my look. As you can see, it was quite easy. The smoky eye look, it's not that tedious, or it's not that difficult to do. I hope you like the look. If you like the look, then don't forget to click the like button on the video, and also don't forget to hit the follow button on our page to stay updated. Thank you so much. Bye bye.